Welcome back. Today we are looking at HTML tags and elements, the building blocks of every web page. Without them, a browser would not know what's a heading, an image, or a paragraph. A tag is a keyword inside angle brackets that tells the browser what to do. For example, P means this is a paragraph. Tags usually comes in pairs, and opening tag P and a closing tag P/P. An element is everything from the opening tag to the closing tag, including the content inside. For example, in the P tag, paragraph tag hello world is a full element. It includes the start tag and text and end tag. Think of a tag as a label on a moving box. The label tells you what's inside, like kitchen. The element is the box itself with the label and the items inside. Some popular tags are H1 for headings, P for paragraph, IMG for images, A for links. Once you know these, you can start creating simple pages. So, tags are instruction elements that are the complete package. Mastering them is your first step toward building a real website.